Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to avoid transfer fees. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to avoid transfer fees in your Wise account or any of the platforms, you can simply use the bank transfer or PayID to add money. So to avoid or minimize fees on Wise or any of the other platform, you can send between Wise accounts in the same currency and utilize your first transfer, which is usually fee free. Avoid paying with credit cards and transfer large amounts to benefit from lower percentage fees. You can also add money via your bank transfer and to PayID, as it is typically free. And if you send money from your Wise balance to a bank account in the same currency, it is free as well. You can simply be very much careful about using the app calculator to check exact fee before finalizing, as they depend on the currency and payment method. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.